Go crazy. Remember we got this song.
งงทรงเลย
Look, right here. Bezos is man, Bezos is this is a potion. This is crazy. And you know what it is. Come on, back me up, bro. The brother's getting hiccups, cause he's drinking up cups of whatever he's hiccuping right in front of the store. He ain't staring at her eyes, but he's staring at her shoulder. He's getting drowsy. Sway to the left, cause his balance is lousy. He starts to clown me, cause I didn't drink. But I laugh at him back, cause I got his girlfriend. I never stagger, I swagger. If the girl runs, she's telling me to catch her. So I catch her, and when I get it, I won't not let her go until the day after. He ain't got a house, he ain't got a car, he ain't got a deal, but I got skills, and I keep it real just like my music. I'm like Nike, I just do this. No doubt, ain't no handcuffs, handcuffs. So slick, it's like magic. No doubt, ain't no handcuffs, handcuffs. Looking at the different trying to get
Stop moving lah, cannot fit about them
So don't be scared. Just chill. Bro, come. You're my girl. Let's go. Handcuffs. What up? You're looking so pale. You moving like a snail. You moving to the girl, but she pushes you away. She knows something you don't. You wonder what it is. I will tell you what she doesn't want you to get close because of that hanging out your nose. Baby, I can make you fly. Girl, it's not that bad. Ain't no handcuffs, so slick and it's like magic how it's staring up the ass. No doubt, ain't no handcuffs, and steady, up and ready, and we gotta take control. No doubt, ain't no handcuffs, and you know it's so slick and it's like magic how it's staring. Yeah, there's no doubt, ain't no handcuffs.